Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of do-it-yourself projects. Have you ever dreamt of having your very own shed, a place where you can store all your tools, work on your projects, and maybe even create a little sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of daily life? Imagine a well-organized space where every tool has its place, a cozy corner where you can work on your hobbies, and a retreat that offers a sense of accomplishment and peace. It's a common dream, and for good reason. A shed can be more than just a storage space. It can be a personal haven. A beautifully crafted shed can be a fantastic addition to any property, enhancing both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. But let's face it, building one can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not a seasoned builder. The sheer amount of planning and effort required can be overwhelming. That's where the frustration often begins. You start with high hopes and enthusiasm, but soon find yourself bogged down by the complexities of the project. You're excited about your shed project, but the plans you find are either overly complicated or lacking crucial details. This can lead to confusion and second-guessing your abilities. You end up scratching your head, making unnecessary trips to the hardware store, and wondering if you'll ever actually get to enjoy your new shed. The dream starts to feel more like a distant reality. Let's be honest, most shed plans out there are just plain frustrating. They're often written by folks who have never hammered a nail in their lives. You know the type: vague instructions, confusing diagrams, and missing measurements. You deserve better than that. Your time is valuable, and your shed dreams deserve clear, concise, and easy-to-follow plans. You need a plan that takes the guesswork out of the equation. A plan designed by someone who understands the challenges you face as a builder. That's where Ryan's Shed Plans come in. Ryan's not some fancy pants architect who's never touched a sawhorse. He's a real deal builder, just like you and me. He knows what it takes to build a sturdy, functional, and great-looking shed, and he's poured all the knowledge and experience into his incredible collection of shed plans. With Ryan's Shed Plans, you're not just getting a set of drawings, you're getting a step-by-step roadmap to shed building success. Clear instructions, detailed diagrams, and complete material lists. It's all there, ready to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's talk about what really sets Ryan's Shed Plans apart: the benefits. First off, these plans are designed with simplicity in mind. Ryan has meticulously crafted each plan to ensure that even a complete beginner can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. Ryan understands that not everyone is a master craftsman. He knows that many people are just starting out in woodworking and need clear, concise instructions. That's why he's broken down each step into manageable chunks, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their skill level, to build a shed they can be proud of. Each step is accompanied by detailed illustrations and tips to ensure you stay on track. But it's not just about simplicity, it's about saving you time and money. Ryan's Shed Plans are designed to be efficient, helping you avoid common pitfalls that can lead to costly mistakes. With Ryan's detailed material list, you'll know exactly what to buy, eliminating those frustrating extra trips to the store. This means you can spend more time building and less time shopping. And because the plans are so precise, you'll minimize waste and keep your project on budget. The efficiency of these plans ensures that every piece of material is used effectively, reducing unnecessary expenses and helping you achieve a professional finish. Section 5, testimonials. Real people, real sheds, real results. Hear from those who have transformed their backyards and lives with Ryan's Shed Plans. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. Folks just like you have used Ryan's Shed Plans to build their dream sheds. From novices to experienced builders, everyone finds success, and they're raving about the results. The joy and pride in their accomplishments are evident. I was intimidated by the thought of building a shed, says Sarah M. from Iowa, but Ryan's plans made it so easy. The step-by-step instructions were clear, and I was able to build my shed in a weekend. It was a rewarding experience. The instructions were clear, and I was able to build my shed in a weekend. The sense of accomplishment was incredible. John D. from Texas adds, I've built sheds before, but I've never seen plans this detailed and easy to follow. The level of detail in Ryan's plans is unmatched. Every step is laid out perfectly, making the process smooth and enjoyable. Ryan's plans saved me time and money, says John. The efficiency and cost effectiveness were beyond my expectations, and my shed turned out even better than I expected. The quality and sturdiness are top-notch. I couldn't be happier with the results. Section 6, 12,000 reasons to get started. Ready for the best part? Ryan's Shed Plans collection doesn't just offer one or two designs. It gives you a whopping 12,000 shed plans to choose from. That's right, 12,000 different styles, sizes, and configurations to fit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a compact garden shed, a spacious workshop, or even a stylish she shed, you're sure to find the perfect plan in Ryan's collection. It's like having a shed building buffet at your fingertips. Section 7, your dream shed awaits, bonuses included. And because Ryan's all about giving you incredible value, he's throwing in some awesome bonuses when you grab your copy of his shed plans today. You'll get access to his advanced woodworking tips, magic modifications, directory of suppliers, and 400 woodworking plans. That's right, even more plans to fuel your DIY passion. These bonuses are packed with valuable information and resources to help you take your woodworking skills to the next level. You'll learn insider secrets, discover creative modifications, and gain access to a network of trusted suppliers. Section 8, your satisfaction guaranteed. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Tim, but what if I'm not happy with the plans? Well, here's the deal. Ryan's so confident that you'll love his shed plans that he's offering a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. That's right, you can try out the plans risk-free for a full 60 days. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, simply contact Ryan's team and they'll refund your purchase. No hassles, no headaches. You got nothing to lose and a dream shed to gain. Section 9. Start building your dream today. So what are you waiting for? Don't let your shed dreams stay dreams. Head over to Ryan's website and grab your copy of his 12,000 shed plans today. With his easy-to-follow instructions, detailed diagrams, and incredible bonuses, you'll be well on your way to building the shed of your dreams in no time. Remember, with Ryan's shed plans, you're not just building a shed, you're building confidence, you're building memories, and you're building something truly special with your own two hands. Get started today and let's get building. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have suggestions or ideas? Leave a comment below.